How you doing, guys? It's James. So today we're working on this 2018 Bailey Autograph. Beautiful bit of kit. It's come into us because, as you can see, it hasn't got any daytime running lights. So in position of the fog lights in the bumper, they all come as stock with just these blanks. And as you can see, I've put the side lights on here, so there are no daytime running lights, because on the newer or the upgraded model, you've got the segment display down here. So what we're going to do today for this customer is we're going to remove these inserts and we're going to put in place some aftermarket LED driving lights. Now they've got 4-spot LEDs, they're all IP rated, so they're waterproof, and they talk to the headlight on the vehicle. So once we've fitted the interface or the module, when your engine is on and ignition on and engine on, they're full brightness. As soon as you put your side lights on, they will dim for sort of dusk and nighttime use, and they integrate nicely with the vehicle. So what we're going to do is, obviously you've got a before video now with it all done, with it all before we do anything, and then as soon as we're done and dusted, we do an after video and show you how effective these are. They fit the X250 and the X290. It's all the same Fiat Ducato based, or Peugeot, or Citroen, all with the same bumper. It doesn't matter what vehicle you've got. If you've got these blanks, we can fit it. Now, the caps come with black. We can do color coded. So on my motorhome, a Swift Car, we've color coded it to match the silver panel at the front. But because we've got contrasting black, customers decided to go for black caps on these. So we'll come back to you shortly. Right, welcome back, part 2. Richard's been working on this motorhome for the last couple of hours, and you can see now fitted the nice 4 LED pods with the blacks around. Again, we spoke earlier about the fact that the black fascia comes as standard, but we've got some contrasting colours on this motorhome, whereas on my Swift Car, I had them sprayed silver to go and coincide. So you could have those colour coded if you wanted to, just need prior notice. So Richard's going to pop the ignition on. So with the ignition on, ignore the factory headlights giving out the sad halogen side light or driving light. We've got 4 LEDs on each lamp, and they are on full brightness. Now during the day, this is going to give you a lot more visibility on the road, but as soon as you pop the side lights on, they will dim down by about 50%. You've now got your side lights on the vehicle, and if Richard also puts dipped beam on, I think they probably already are. Yeah, I think there is only 2 switches on these, and even if he does main beam, again nothing really changes. The LEDs are just on 50%. As soon as he turns the lights off, they go to maximum brightness. So they are on continuously and permanently when the ignition is on, and when the key comes out, they're all off. So this is a nice way to integrate in with the vehicle's headlights already. So full brightness on ignition, and then half brightness when side light is on, so as not to dazzle other drivers. If you've got a vehicle like this and you want to be a little bit more visible on the road with some decent LED daytime running lights or DRLs, get in touch with us. Now in about a month's time, this van is also coming back to have the LED daytime fancy lights in here, so we'll be doing another video to show you once that's completed. So thanks for watching. It's Motorhome Retrofits. Please subscribe to our channel, keep an eye on our social media channels, and our website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk. Have a good day.